No. Hello guys, I'm leaving for my first ride of 2021 pitch day. I'll be going to Garo Hills district. I'll try to cover all districts of Garo Hills. Then lastly, I'll go for the Garo Hills Riders Meet, which will happen this week on the 26th and 27th of this month. So yeah, this is my nephew Kaiko. Say hi. Hi, come on, hi. Hi. Bye. Will update you. I'll update you. And have a good day. Guys, I'm in Shillong now. I'll be staying in Northern tonight. But tomorrow, early in the morning, I'll be heading to Garo Hills. See you in a while.
Wow, what a sunset! Look at the sunset, beautiful sunset!
Good morning guys, I'm currently at Northern. I just woke up, it's 6 a.m. in the morning and I'll be heading to Baghmara in a while. Lintas
Tak, sekenduk. Boleh sibuk mo? Saya Syampak, asawan biang. Mo?
Okey tak?
Tak. So people, this is Shillong, the famous Shillong of Meghalaya, where coal is extracted and exported from here. So people, this is Rongjang village, which is in the east Garo Hills district. So guys, it's 11:20 now. I'm almost reaching Siju place, Siju cave, where the famous Siju is located. So I hope I'll get to see Siju because I have to go to Baghmara as well. So I started my journey from Northern at 7 a.m. Now I'm here 11:30 before reaching Siju. So let's see what will be in store for me. And it's very hot here, and very hot, very hot, very hot. I'll see you guys. I'll update later. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm on my way to Siju cave, and now it's an off-road. Okay guys, I'm here Siju Cave. There's the way to Siju Cave. That's the parking space. That's the Simsang River. Sorry, Simsang River. Crystal blue, crystal clear. So let's see, what do we have here? This Siju Cave is located in South Garo Hills, South Belt. So, wow, what do we have here? Oh, it's a nice tree house. I don't dare to walk, man. Yeah, scary, interesting as well. So this is the famous Siju Cave of Meghalaya, located at South Garo Hills, Baghmara, and you can smell the, if you are here, you can smell the bats as well. I didn't bring my torch, it's in the tank bag. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god. I hope I don't touch a bat. Shit. See? Those are the people out there, entrance. Shit. Did you see any bat?
Yes, lots of bats inside.
Inside? You went out to which point?
Oh, just go in, you'll start hearing them.
Oh, okay.
It's less than 50 meters.
Okay. No, I didn't bring my torch, yeah, I forgot my bike. I'm happy that I made it to Siju Cave. I thought I won't be able to see this cave in my lifetime, but then now I made it and I'm glad, and I did it all by myself, all alone. So this is my bite. With this machine I did it. The mobile, it's less now. Can you hear that? There's a bird. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Simsang Bridge. Wow, I think this is the biggest river of Meghalaya. I think when it's summer, the water will be all over this place. Wow.
Friends, it was a long day, but then glad that I reached Baghmara in the afternoon. So now I'm here having not having but I'll have now. I'll have now for my dinner. I'll have my dinner now. So far so good. I like it. I'm glad I went to Siju Cave. This rice, this chicken cooked in Garrow style. This potatoes as well. Some curry and this rice. Tip Duktang, lubang tentang Garrow. Lubang tentang Garrow. Ini kayaknya berasa. Belum hangat dulu. Berat. Harap deh ini juga matang ibu kayak setung dengkap nih masak apa takar udah abang tuh berbau deh masak apa ini masak apa these guys, my friends, they can really eat chilies. See you guys. I hope you guys have a good night. Take care. Arigatou.